you prefer to read books or magazines?
I prefer to read books because they offer more depth and detail, allowing me to immerse myself fully into the subject or story.
What is your favorite subject to read about?
My favorite subject to read about is history because it helps me understand how past events shape our present and can influence our future.
Did your parents read to you when you were a child?
Yes, my parents did read to me when I was a child. It was a nightly routine that not only brought us closer but also instilled in me a love for reading from a young age.
Would you give a book as a gift?
Yes, giving a book as a gift is a thoughtful gesture that can be very personal. It shows that you understand the recipient's interests and wish to provide them with an enriching experience.
Describe a book that you enjoyed reading. You should say, what the book was, what it was about, why you read it, and explain what effect the book had on you.
The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This novel follows the journey of a young Andalusian shepherd named Santiago who travels from his homeland in Spain to the Egyptian desert in search of a treasure buried near the pyramids. The book was recommended for its themes of adventure, personal dreams, and destiny, appealing to those who are interested in life's philosophical questions. The Alchemist is inspiring, encouraging readers to pursue their dreams by listening to their hearts and recognizing the opportunity signs spread along life's path. It highlights the importance of persistence and faith, which can profoundly impact one's personal outlook and life choices.
Do people in your country like to read books?
Generally, yes, people do enjoy reading, though the level of interest can vary based on factors like age, education, and lifestyle.
What are the most popular types of books?
Popular genres often include fiction, particularly thrillers and romance, as well as nonfiction like self-help and autobiographies. These preferences can vary widely across different demographics.
Do you think it is important for people to read books?
Absolutely, reading is vital. It not only provides knowledge and entertainment, but also fosters critical thinking, empathy, and understanding of the world.
Do people read as much nowadays as they did in the past?
While people may not read books as frequently due to the proliferation of digital content and other media, reading remains an integral part of many lives. The medium might have changed, with more digital formats available, but the essence of reading persists.
How do most people read books today, in hard copy or on a tablet?
The preference varies. Many still prefer hard copies for the tactile experience and ease on the eyes, while others appreciate the convenience and features of digital formats like tablets and e-readers.
Do you think that traditional books will be replaced by tablet reading in the future?
It's unlikely that digital formats will completely replace physical books. Each has its benefits and appeals to different audiences. Traditional books may become less predominant in some areas, but they will likely coexist with digital formats, serving different purposes and preferences.